Hey guys, I am so obsessed with this color, this look, and you already know exactly where I got this unit from. LuvMe Hair, so let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into another unit from LuvMe Hair. So I want to show you what the unit looks like, everything that came in the box, and then we're just going to go ahead and install. This one is going to be one that you can wear just straight out of the box. So this is the beauty that we are going to be reviewing today. So let me go ahead and unbox, show you what she looks like straight out of the box, and then we'll get into the specs of this unit. So of course, every LuvMe Hair unit comes in a purple box. So here is the box. Let me just go ahead and open this up. So of course we have the unit, and it's packaged very nicely and secure. It's in the netting as well as some paper. So I'm going to show you this in just a moment. Also in the box we have a pack of HD wig caps, a little card here to unlock some exclusive gifts, the elastic band to put on the inside of the unit, a wig box label, a thank you card with the wig care tips, how to care for the hair, return policies, all the information you need to know. And of course the purple mesh bag with the drawstring top so that we can store our unit. Okay, so I'm gonna take the unit out of the netting and the paper and everything so we can get a better look at what this unit looks like. I'll put it on my mannequin head so we can see her while we go over the specs of this unit. I'm telling you, this baby is secure. Okay, so here is the unit on my mannequin head, and as I'm holding her, while you take a look at her, I'm gonna go ahead and provide you the specs. So this is LuvMe Hair's Dark Root Ombre Brown Mature Bouncy Loose Wave Glueless Minimalist HD Lace wig ready to go. So this unit comes in two lengths, 10 inches as well as 12 inches, but this is the 10-inch length. So for 10 inches it's $149.90, plus I have you covered with a promo code SNH28, gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. So this unit is 150% density. Yes, it can be worn glueless. Cap size is medium, 22.5 inches. It is 100% human hair. The hairline comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The color is ombre brown, and this is a C-shaped left side part, so it can only be worn as a left side part. It does have that minimalist lace, and that lace is HD. So that is the specs of this unit. I'm going to take it off the mannequin head now so we can take a look at the construction, and then we'll go ahead and install the unit. So before I do take it off the mannequin head, I do kind of just want to like shake it out. Just want to shake out these curls so that they are bouncy and doesn't have like that look of being in a box. So I'm just going to give her a little shake here, and if I do need to kind of refresh some of the curls, like maybe this one up here, then I'll do that with my curling iron. But this one you can wear just straight out of the box. This one is going to be very much so a beginner friendly throw on and go type unit. All right, first things first, I need to install the elastic band. So I'm just putting the hook through the loop on the inside of the unit on both sides. And again, completely optional, but it does add some extra security. So to install, placing the elastic band around the back of my head, and then placing that back comb in the back of my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the front combs. Last couple of videos, I have not installed the front combs, but I am going to do so today. So just finding those combs on both sides and installing them in my hair, and just pushing the unit back just a little bit, and immediately I'm impressed. I was going to individually separate the curls, but I just decided to go ahead and just run my fingers through all of the curls to blend them all together and give more of a natural look, so it's not so manufactured straight out of the box. And again, this is also completely optional. You can use a comb, you can leave it as is, or you can do like me and just rake your fingers through the hair. Just play with it. It's your unit. You wear it the way you want to. And that's exactly what I'm doing, just raking my fingers through the hair until I get the look and the shape that I desire. All right, so now I'm taking some Wet n Wild contouring powder with a flat brush and just dabbing that right there on the lace around my hairline. And this is just going to tint that lace to my skin tone, kind of just match my makeup. And let me just say, the lace, the hairline look so good. And as you can see, I did not do anything off camera. I did not spray or glue anything down. And now I'm just turning around so I can show you all angles of this gorgeous unit. All right guys, so here is the final look and I absolutely love it. Like, you saw how easy this was to install. Pretty much just put this on my head, a little bit of contouring powder around the lace right there on the hairline, but that is it. Maybe just pull out the curls just a little bit, just so that it's not so manufactured looking. And voila, we have an instant look. This unit comes out of the box in these beautiful, beautiful curls. It already comes out of the box in this beautiful, beautiful color. We have the dark roots giving it a more natural look. And it's just absolutely perfect for the season, summertime. I mean, I am obsessed right now. My hair has been in a pixie for so long right now, and just in jet black, just a splash of color is just giving me life right now. It is so gorgeous. I love how bouncy and flowy the curls are. This 10-inch length is absolutely perfect. Stops right on my shoulders, barely sweeping my shoulders at all. So again, perfect for the season. We do not like a lot of hair on our head, especially in the hotter season. So this is perfect. We have a instant style straight out of the box with this beautiful, beautiful color. The color is just wow. I mean, I am blown away how pretty this is. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I gave you all a full 360, but I feel like this deserves another 360. It's just so pretty. So of course we have the front and the side. Back, the curls are bouncy and flowy, and even with like running my fingers through the hair, separating the curls, kind of just like blending them all together, I was not getting any shedding. I don't have any shedding on my hands. I don't have any shedding on my floor. So that's always a positive. The hair is soft, it's bouncy, it's flowy. Now I did do one thing. I cut the lace back just a tad. Just because it was a little more than my liking. I feel like with these units that come with the lace pre-cut off, they just use pinking shears and cut it straight across. It leaves that little zigzag on there, but some of them come with a little more lace than my liking, so I did want to cut it back just a hair, and voila, it looks so good, so good. I am obsessed with this look. Like, I don't know if you all can tell, but it looks so good. I love this. I love this look. It is so pretty. So again, 10 inches, 150% density. It is a nice amount of hair on this head. It does not need any more hair. I feel like it looks exactly how it does on the website. So here is the stock image on the website. And here's what it looks like on my head. Pretty much the exact same look. So we love that when we order something and we get it and it's the same exact thing. So price $150 for the 10-inch plus the 28% off promo code SNH28. I love that. And let's talk about the cap construction and size and fit. So this one, again, does have the traditional ear tabs. However, the ear tabs, hallelujah, fall exactly where I need them to fall. They're not resting on top of my ear. They're not resting behind my ear. They fall exactly where I need them to fall, and we love that. We love that. So cap is very, very secure. It's laying very flat. So we have the elastic band in the inside that I put in there. Completely optional, you do not have to use that, but we also have the adjustable straps in the inside as well. This cap size fits absolutely amazing, and you all know with LuvMe hair, traditional cap sizes, it is kind of hit or miss, but this one, spot on. Chef's kisses, we love that. So I think that is it for this review. I cannot gush over this unit enough. It's absolutely flawless. We love the look. We love the parting space. Parting space, didn't even have to do anything. Didn't have to put any kind of makeup in there. I could have right there, but it looks so good. I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to mess anything up. This style, this length, this color, this look is just giving. You got to get your hands on this one. This one is a must-have. So I'm going to put everything down in the description box that you need. A link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this gorgeous, gorgeous, what is this called? Dark Root Ombre Brown Mature Bouncy Loose Wave Glueless Minimalist HD Lace ready to go unit. I'll put a link to this unit down in the description. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gets you 28% off. Again, only left side part. So if you're a right side part girly, you got to convert. Just come over to the left side part gang. We are so much fun. So just come on over. But that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.